Good afternoon, folks. In this video, what I'm going to do is get off of that. What you see before you, these two right here, what you see before you are two sheet music and musician contact platforms that I'm on right now. This is my own personal music and lessons site right here. It does say CJW Music Transcriptions, but we do offer lessons at this point here on this site. And here at Musicaneo.com. These two places you can find me and contact me directly to ask for lesson consultations or sheet music services or collaborations or anything like that. I've been getting a lot of things from people who contact me via the Take Lessons Ask a Question feature, and some of them are legit, and you know who you are, that's fine. But I've been getting a lot of people who they write me and they give me their phone number to text them or do some other thing that, is not allowed on Take Lessons platform. Let me give you the reason why. If you're going on Take Lessons to consult with me about having lessons, we are basically doing business on their platform. Therefore, it's their platform, it's their rules, and a lot of people, for some reason or another, do not want to. They'll contact me, but they want me to, jump outside the hoop of Take Lessons to contact them, and that's not. No, we're not doing that because I have, maybe had a couple of strikes against me. I've had Take Lessons, talk to me in emails saying that you did such and such and you shouldn't do that. And it's like, well, then if you want to contact me, I will put my two websites, my two web presences for now. I will put those in the description box, and you can contact me there. There's going to be a whole bunch of links under the video, but you're going to have to find your way through it because I have all types of courses. I have all types of places where you can get in contact with me. These two platforms are included in those, but your best bet, if you don't want to deal with whatever, buying lessons on Take Lessons or any other search engine like that, you're gonna have to do it through Musicaneo at my page, codyweinmann.musicaneo.com, or my CJW Music website, which is the link will be also in the description box at the end of this video. So, or below this video rather. So, I hope this solves it. I hope we're done with trying to figure out, how to do it, because all you have to do to chat with me is just type me a message down here. And it's connected to my site, and I will get back to you with answers to your requests as soon as I can. This is the easiest way that you can contact me directly for service if you don't want to go through a third party. Okay? All right.